Friends, as you can see, this is a 240 watt power supply. This is a power supply from which 3 wires come out. One is green, one is red, and one is black. Green wire is for earthing, red wire is for phase, and black wire is for neutral. All the 3 wires get connected to the outdoor unit. This is the outdoor unit. In the area of outdoor unit, the 3 wires get connected. From the outdoor unit, the neutral wire goes to the common C point of the compressor. The compressor has 3 terminals: S for start, R for run, and C for common. The terminals are shown in this image. S, C and R is mentioned on the terminal. So from the outdoor unit, the neutral wire goes to the C point of the compressor. Now from this phase to this point, the phase goes to this point of the 2-pole contactor and stops here, because from this point ahead the supply is being stopped. From the other point of the contactor, this is the contactor. At this point, the current is stopped and has not been passed to the other end. Current will go further when this gets punched. How it will get punched, I will show you. Now from the second point of the contactor, the supply goes to the capacitor. The capacitor is of 36 MFD. This is a capacitor of 35 MFD. The capacitor is not necessarily should be of 36 MFD. It can be of 35, 34 or 38 MFD, which is used according to the various types of air conditioners. We have 2 points in the capacitor. There is no plus or minus points. You can connect the points anyway. So from this point of the 2-pole contactor, you can connect to any of the points. We use this point and make the loop of the wire and give it to the run point. So from phase, the point goes to the contactor, and from other side of the contactor it goes to the capacitor, and from capacitor it goes to the run point of the compressor. Now the point left in the capacitor, we give connection to the start point of the compressor. So now from the other point which is left in the capacitor, from this point it gets connected to the start point of the compressor. With this we finish the wiring of the compressor. Now this point of fan point is the fan motor. You can see this as this is the fan motor. From this fan, 2 wirings come out. One is red and one is black. The red wire from the fan goes and gets connected to the 2-pole contactor at this point, and the black wire is the neutral wire which gets connected to this point of the 2-pole contactor. You have capacitor in the fan. It can be of 4 MFD or 5 or 6 MFD. In some air conditioners there are multiple capacitors, which I will explain in my next video. Now I will show you how the 2-pole contactor works. CP over here, by CP I mean compressor power. Compressor power comes from the indoor unit. This is the indoor unit. So this is a PCB board and this white wire is the CP. So here we have made the loop of the wire and have 3 points going. So here we have made the loop of the wire and have 3 points going for earth, one for neutral and another one for phase wire into the indoor unit. Now the phase wire goes from indoor unit to the relay. The relay looks something like this. There are 2 points in the relay, 3 and 4. Power comes at the point number 3 in the relay and releases from point number 4. So how does the relay work? When you power on the air conditioner for the first time, the compressor starts immediately. So when you power off the indoor unit and then start it again, the power supply starts after coming to the PCB board and stops at the point 3 of the relay. So the relay after 3 minutes gives current to the point 4, which we call as a compressor power. So when the power comes to the CP, it goes to the 2-pole contactor. At this point, the 2 points get punched and the power supply moves ahead from one point to another point of the contactor. So when your power comes at these 2 points of the contactor here, then your compressor starts working, your fan also starts. So now the compressor and the fan is working. Now we will look at how the 2-pole contactor works. You can punch the 2 points on the contactor with some pen or plastic material, and by pressing the 2 points the fan and compressor must work. If by doing so the compressor or fan is not working, it means the wiring is not proper or the winding of the fan is not working, or capacitor may have become weak. Now here in the PCB board you have coupler for display board or remote sensor. This is the fuse. Sometimes when you power on the AC, it does not start. It may be because the fuse is not working. The white is CP, green is ground earth, and red one is phase. CP wire gets connected to the outdoor unit.